Max 95. Black Cool Gray 2025 colorway. Given how seriously Nike takes birthdays, the Air Max 95's 30th anniversary in 2025 is sure to be a huge party. A new colorway of the black, cool gray, light smoke gray, Aurora Green general release has suddenly surfaced, but the new design indicates that some of the original hardware we previously saw may not be a consistent touch. Rather, the standard AM95 construction is used, which, to be clear, nevertheless produces one of the most recognizable outlines ever. Only a distinctive grayscale profile, punctuated by stripes of cool gray and light smoke gray on a jet black foundation and finished with flares of Aurora Green branding, can solidify that timeless appeal. In the near future, the $150 Nike Air Max 95 Cool Gray should be available on Nike.com and store shelves.